Yo, what up? It's Paul. We're back. New episode of Watch Dogs. New outfit because I had money and I felt like blowing it because I'm a rich nigga. I'm sorry. Alright, let's get this business started. Last episode we met that old cranky man who was gangster shit.
I've hired Bad Boy before and he's always protected his identity. That's how DedSec works. Now he wants to meet. That's unusual. Alright, I'm gonna try and shake him off his game. Let's see what he's up to.
Meet Bad Boy 17. Is it because he's bad boy for life? And I have to walk slow. What?
Bad Boy.
What?
Bad Boy 17.
What the fuck, man?
Bad Boy 17?
Oh, it's a chick.
Clara.
Clara.
I like her shirt. It's pretty sick.
You don't look 17.
Do I look like a bad boy?
No, you look like a wild card.
Ooh, flirting.
I hope I don't frighten you.
What, do you have a reason to frighten me?
Now you're being paranoid.
Am I? Someone is fucking with my life. Threatening my family, and at the same moment, the mysterious bad boy wants to meet me, and he is a she. He is a lie. Listen, I need to trust you, Clara.
I wouldn't trust me if I were you. But here's a reason to listen. The text message you sent me, I know where to find him.
Yeah, well, we don't need to meet face-to-face for that.
No. We needed a face-to-face for this. You wanted DedSec as Max.
You got me in.
You should be nicer to me. I'm about to open your world.
Oh, she's about to take him to the Matrix.
Well, you're not the first woman to promise me that.
They do all their nasty work through this. And they don't know I have access.
Oh, you stole it.
This is powerful. Just don't be stupid. You screw around and you get people hurt. Worst.
Well, I don't think you trust me.
Give me a reason to trust you.
Ooh.
All right. The guy sent the text. How do we find him?
We work together. You with everything I just said. Me tracking his signal.
They're totally gonna hook up.
You're not quite what I expected.
I'm better.
And you're exactly as I expected, Aiden.
Oh, she knows his name though. So what just happened? Did I get a new power up? Skill points acquired. Open the skill tree. You have now access to all available skills. Oh, cool. And they have 19 points. Yeah, Loki been playing since the last episode. Obviously. Pistol expert, no. Improved focus, yes. Yes, for this, I need that. Demolitionist. Ooh, bullet resistance. Definitely need that. Pistol expert. Okay, let's get out of combat. Let's go to crafted items. Focus boost. Pill that provides massive instant recovery of focus. Proximity IED. IED. Blackout. Ooh. Upon sitting in the darkness, warning may cause open sparks, which also pretty awesome. Cool. Need that. Need that. I know you guys probably are like, play the game already. But I like this kind of stuff. Upgrades. Disable helicopters for 15 seconds. Road spikes. Wait. Oh, I didn't even know we had that in this game. That's cool. Oh, geez. I want this. Okay, I'm gonna save those points for later. Cool.
Who?
Am I talking to Bad Boy or Clara?
Let's make it easy.
Easy. Voila. So we need to track your caller. But he's sneaky. He's bounced his address through a CTOS office tower. Client services, employees, and executives, things like that.
An office tower.
We need to find a way into the system. You get me in, I get you his location.
I can get into the building where they're most vulnerable. Check out where they take deliveries.
Looks like underground, in the tunnel.
I'll start there. Hey, I'm sorry I was rough before.
I know what you were doing, trying to intimidate me. Very textbook. Stepping into my personal space, the stare, physical contact. You're trying to look for cracks. So did you find any?
Wouldn't you love to know?
Yeah, they totally need to hook up. Alrighty, cool. We made it to the thing. And there's a
Time
dude
to open up my world.
right there. Let's go here. Let's go here. Can I just... Whoa! Nope. Sit your ass down. Plop. I totally just... Oh, well, they know I'm here. Ooh. Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, cool. Good, because I didn't want to do it that way anyways, because I'm a gangster. And I was really gangster what I did low-key, but I want to be even more gangster because gangsters are gangster. I don't... I don't know what to say. Oh wait. Let's go over here and we're gonna trip the car alarm right there. Oh. And while he's distracted. Oh. Sleep. God dang it. And pop. Oh jeez. Wait, this is the wrong button. I don't want to jump. I want to... That. There we go. And goodbye. And... Okay. Run, 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 run. Headshots all around. I'm playing this game not like I feel like I should be playing this game. I'm playing it. This is supposed to be like what I've been talking to myself or my friend about how this game is. It's locked. Use profiler. Hack the CTOS boxes. Follow. There it is. Nope. Oh, well. Cool. This game is Splinter Cell, but open world. Let's reload the gun, because I'm pretty sure I'm about to need it again. Okay, cool.
I'm in the building. You see what's ahead?
The layout shows a wide open indoor plaza.
More guards, no doubt.
Oh, those hacks I uploaded to your phone? It's a perfect distraction. You can disrupt the equipment of any guard in there.
Equipment like what?
Anything. Hack their phones, earpieces, explosives. Everything runs off computer chips these days.
Okay, I'll try it. You scan me the offices? Find me someone with an unsecured laptop.
Got one. Bradley Coughlin. Oh no. He's a security director.
Of course he is. Once I hack in, you move fast. Track a caller and get out. It won't take long for security to spot the intrusion.
Don't worry about me.
Wait, this dude has a camera on him? Oh, that's cool. Nah, I need this dude some more, I guess, just to scout the area. That's really cool. I need an access code for that, though. Okay, good job, Watch Dogs. You're doing something pretty sick. Okay, I tagged everybody in here, so let's go to work.
What the fuck you doing? Why don't you give it up?
Ah, Jesus. I don't want to do this, guns blazing. Oh, too late. Kaboom. Cool, got him. Shit. Oh no!
I'm on it. Come on, I'm buried here.
Okay, let's reload the goblin. Get prepared. No, sit down. Pop. I love these takedowns. Oh jeez, I'm out. Cool, craft those. Toss those. Toss those again. See, have him on the run while I reload. Switch weapons to my pistol, because he thinks I'm that way. Hey, buddy. Nope, you ain't calling nobody. Sit your ass down. Oh man, I feel so like now that you can see people that you like what they do in life. I feel bad. Like I've killed a bunch of born again Christians and everything. It's pretty weird. Okay. And another hacking game. Gosh darn it. Okay, cool. Cool, that's unlocked. Now we unlock that. Cool, what's up here? Now we just gotta get that up there. That goes there. Uh-oh. And that goes there, and we're good. Oh, there's another one. And another one. You must be used to me spending. Jordy. Captain Jordy LaForge. What the Feezy? Okay, that goes there. What if I don't do... Oh, gosh. I'm not good at puzzles, as you can see, people. Oh, wait. Got it. He looks like Gus Fring. Anything in here I can scan?
I'm telling you, it's not just an ad. It blocks my entire view. Just... Oh, shit. Someone's hacked in. Oh, fuck me. Lock down the building. Find him now.
Got him.
Okay, I got you in. Can you track the caller?
Searching now. Carly, the police are coming. They've got high-tech scans that are hard to shake. You need to get out of there.
Corner.
Stop!
I don't have like a smoke grenade or anything. I can't Batman out of here. I'm out.
I got the job. Which means yours truly has a parking spot outside of Bloom's X Labs. Billions of dollars, and science. Okay, maybe just regular science, but...
How do I, oh my gosh, I'm stuck in the door.
Cops are scanning me. I can't get clear fast enough. Does DedSec know a way to jam their scans?
Wait, I think we do.
Oh
Here
no.
it is. I'm sending.
Oh my gosh. That's funny.
Okay, I got you in. Can you track the caller?
Searching now.
Okay.
Carlis, the police are coming. They've got high-tech scans that are hard to shake. You need to get out of there.
Shit. Got. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry guys, I keep dying. Gummy bear. Oh, what is this?
Okay, I got you in. Can you track the caller?
Searching now.
Chemicals.
Carlis, the police are coming.
Oh no.
There.
Oh my goodness. This is gonna be another long episode, guys, and I already feels it. Already feel it coming.
Okay, I got you in. Can you track the caller?
Searching now. Carlis,
These cops don't have anything
police
on
are
them which I
coming.
can just
They've got
destroy.
high-tech scans that are hard to shake. You need to get out of there.
Okay. How the hell do I get out of here? Or tag that dude so I know he's at the bottom. Oh shit.
Cops are scanning me. I can't get clear fast enough. Does DedSec know a way to jam their scans?
Wait, I think we do. Here it is. I'm sending it to you.
Use jam comms. Halt CTO's detection for a brief.
You there? Hello? Hey, you still there?
Wait, I gotta go this way. That's. And I'm out. We made it, guys. Finally, all I had to do was just run out of the front door. Okay.
Squad to all units, CTOS scan is unable to locate the suspect.
That was awesome. So, that was the mission. I'm sure another phone call's about to happen anytime soon. That's why I'm not stopping yet.
How are we looking? You
There we
found
go.
the caller? Tired of this cat and mouse.
I got your mouse. This call was made from an apartment in the loop.
Finally.
Just be careful, Aiden. The way he bounced the signal around, I think he wants you to find him.
Well, I certainly don't want to disappoint him.
Uh-oh. Alright, guys. That was it for this episode of The Dogs of Watching. I am Paul, once again, bringing you a new episode of The Dogs of Watching. Watch Dogs. A.K.A. Assassin's Creed. In real time. A.K.A. Splinter Cell. Open world. Alright, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. I will see you guys real soon. Yeah. Bye.